Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to export projects to Final Cut Pro from LumaFusion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to export LumaFusion project to Final Cut Pro, that is FCP, all you gotta do is simply use the XML project package option from the share export menu. You need to simply go to LumaFusion, and once you're in your LumaFusion, you need to simply tap on the export button, that is the share menu, which creates a zip file containing your timeline data and media. You can transfer it often via your AirDrop to a MacBook as well, and then open the .zip file on your computer to import it into your FCPX. This process allows you to move projects from iOS to macOS for further editing, though some effects might need adjustments in your FCPX. So this is how you can export projects to Final Cut Pro from LumaFusion. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.